Hey guys, George from Handyman Hints here. I guess we'll call this a part 3. I don't know. I ripped the ductwork out already. You can look in the previous videos how I did that. Just basically pulled it apart. It's blocking me from getting to the speedometer cable, and I'm going to try and attempt to disconnect it from the speedometer. Okay, I probably should have greased it while I was out, but you know, who knew? And I am going to pull it down below the dashboard and see if I can remove it. All right, we're gonna do that first. We're gonna grease it up good, put it back in, and then I'm gonna take an accurate measurement, because I'll tell you what, when I drove this car, it seemed like up to 50, it was pretty accurate. So, according to my GPS too. So, I think it was just bouncing so much. So, I don't know, it might be good with the gears I got. That's in the car. Let's see here. I got a set of gears here that I received. I bought 4 different kinds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the O-rings. So we got multiples. It's not, they weren't that expensive. So, and it could be the bullet. It could be the bullet. There's a bullet. There's a piece that goes into the transmission, and this gear goes in. This gear goes into this. It goes into this bullet, okay? This goes into the transmission, okay? And then there's a piece that goes into that. But anyway, it could be that. Sometimes they loosen up too. I don't know, we're gonna find out though. I think the old one did kind of bounce a little bit. I never really paid attention because I couldn't stand that 85 speedometer. But anyway, all right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and attempt to film again while I'm doing this. And I don't know, it's gonna be probably another hard one here, but we'll see what we can do. All right, I'm gonna try and pull a cable out. I'll pause the video, get set up for this first. Okay, so here we are again. I'll try and stay out of your way if I can. All right, so I gotta reach my way in here. Let me see how hard it is to get to the speedometer cable. Actually, wow, kind of surprised it was that easy. Getting it out and back in's another story, you know? So let me see if I can get my other arm in here. Pull it out. I can. I don't know if I can do that. Nope. Okay, hang on. Should be able to get both hands in here. Just don't want to disconnect nothing while I'm doing it. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Pushing it with my thumb. Nope, that ain't gonna work either. Okay. Hold on. Tricky. Let's see what I can do from here. I'll show you what I did as soon as I get in there to do it. I want to disconnect no wire. There's a million wires under this thing, you know, and I don't want to mess with none of that stuff. Okay, so I see what that is. Okay, let me see if I can pull it from here. And I can. I think I can. Feels, oh, there it goes. Okay, got it out. Gotta be really careful how I put this back in too. So let me see if I can pull this all down without doing major damage here. Okay. Yeah, kinda can do it from here. All right, maybe. I don't know if this speedometer's gonna let me take it out. I'm gonna try. Okay. So let me see what this looks like while I got it here. It's like a square. Okay, so let me get in here with you guys here. All right. There's a speedometer. Okay, and inside here. Where are you? Right in there, you can see it. It's like a little square head on it. Oh, come on, where are you? There you go. Okay, I'll try and light it. See that square head? I'm gonna try and pull this cable out. It looks kind of wettish looking, but I don't know. It could be, that might not even be the problem, but I gotta at least try it, you know? All right, let's see if I can get this cable out. Not making a disaster mess here. All right, let's see. Get a pair of needle nose. cable. But we'll see what we can do here. I don't want to make a dog disaster out of this thing either. I don't even know if I can get in here with a pair of needle nose, to be honest with you guys. I guess I can. See how far in this is before I even start. Okay, looks like it goes past that ridge. Is there a little ridge inside here? I don't know if I'm gonna get this out though. If this doesn't come out, that tells me a lot right there. I don't feel like it wants to go. I think that's my problem. To be honest with you guys. Can't even get on this thing. I don't want to break it. That's the dog I'm not sure. Ah, I know I'm blocking this. I know. You know what? Well, it's coming out. Actually, I just felt it. Well, it was. I think it was. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'm not going to force it either. We have to get a new cable. Might have to get a new cable here. Nah, she ain't going. Okay. All right, well, we tried. That's all I can tell you. We tried. I'm just gonna have to get another cable, unfortunately. All right, well, to be continued. Well, again, George, Handyman Ints. I'll be back. Hey guys, back. Come back from shopping here. And I'm going to let you know I finally got this thing out. I did test the Speedo. I got gas what it was before. But it is out. It is out in a shopping center. But okay, just letting you know, finally made it out. Okay, guys, another thing car fired right up, and it's hot. So temperature's hot. Just letting you know, she's doing good. Just glad to get her out. Be honest with you. All right, catch you later. Okay, guys, I'm on the road here. Bounces a little bit. It's a little bit better. I don't know. I may still get a cable anyway. I still got to change the GPS. Not the GPS. I still got to change the gear. It's about 4 miles an hour off according to the GPS. I can't keep the GPS and the camera rolling at the same time, but you can say it works. I mean, it does work. It's a tiny bit bouncy, but I don't know. But change the gear, and I probably will change the cable, just in case. But I don't know. The tack's a little bouncy too, so it is almost 50 years old. So, all right, guys, just wanted to get that in there.